In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF bank statement to QuickBooks. We'll walk through downloading your statement, getting it into the right format, and bringing those transactions into QuickBooks so they're ready for review. I'll also share simple checks along the way to prevent common errors. Start by signing in to your online banking and downloading the bank statement you want to import as a PDF. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated bookkeeping folder, and note the date range on the statement. That date range will help you verify you've got the right transactions once they land in QuickBooks. QuickBooks doesn't import PDFs directly, so you'll need a compatible file type. It accepts CSV, QBO, or OFX. The easiest path is to see if your bank offers a CSV download of the same statement period. If it does, choose that and skip any conversion. If your bank only provides a PDF, use a reliable PDF to CSV converter. However you get the CSV, make sure it includes 3 essentials: a date column, a description column, and an amount. The amount can be one column with positive and negative values or separate debit and credit column size. Keep the dates in a consistent format and ensure the amounts are numeric without symbols so QuickBooks can read them cleanly. With your CSV ready, open QuickBooks and go to Transactions, sometimes labeled Banking, then choose Upload Transactions. Select the bank account that matches the statement you're importing into. Picking the correct account keeps everything aligned with your real-world bank feed. Click Browse, locate your CSV file, and continue to the next screen. You'll now map your columns so QuickBooks knows what each field represents. Match your CSV's date to date, description to description, and amount to amount. If your CSV uses separate debit and credit columns, map those accordingly instead of a single amount column. Take a moment to look at the sample rows in the preview. If dates look off or amounts appear in the wrong direction, adjust the mapping before proceeding. Next, review the transactions that QuickBooks is about to bring in. Scan the totals and the date range to make sure they line up with your statement. If you spot lines you don't need, you can deselect them here. When everything looks correct, click Import. Your imported transactions will appear in the For Review tab. From there, you can